What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Facepunch have added an absolutely insane item to Rust with the Thursday update that's gone mostly unnoticed. From the main menu, head across to the bottom right where you've got this little friends icon. Clicking this, you'll see your Steam friends and the ability to link Rust with Discord so you can send and receive chat messages on Discord in-game. Click this, then in your Discord client, click authorize down here after you make sure this is what it seems. Essentially, Facepunch get access to your profile info, manage your Discord friends list and blocked users, access server and channel membership details, friends list and online status, as well as update your activity status on Discord and send and receive messages. This seems like quite a bit and it's kind of spooky, but it's mainly just to let you manage your Discord account from within Rust itself. So once you're happy, click authorize and you'll be back in Rust where just a few moments from now, I think I might need to restart or at least reconnect. Yep, a restart of the game got things working properly. You'll see Discord settings in the top right where you can log out from Discord if you wish, and from here you're able to send and receive Discord messages in-game. You'll see Steam icons and Discord icons depending on where your friends are. You can also click your friends here to send them a direct message all the way down here in the chat window, which you can now see on the main menu. Whether it's on Steam or Discord, it's the same. So if we're playing the game and someone were to send us a Discord message, you'll see it pop up in-game. Then from here, you can hit enter and hit tab to change from global chat to team chat and to DM chat. Here, you can respond to people and whatever message you send will then appear in their Discord client, as you can see here. Message you from Rust using in-game chat. Rich messaging may not be available. Here's what I said in response. To change back to global chat, just hit tab and you're back in global or team chat, etc. You can also move your mouse around and click this button right here, which allows you to search for people in your Discord friends list and Steam friends list that you can message, click them, and send them a message in-game. No idea why Shift Tab isn't good enough, nor Alt Tab to get into Discord, but hey, it's a feature. That's not why we're here though. Why we're here is this notification you've now got in Steam, the Discord trophy. This item, which should now appear in your inventory, is extremely cheap to create and is pretty broken for what it does. Shameless advertising as it is, you can search for it in your crafting menu and it can be thrown together for just 50 metal fragments. This item, when crafted anywhere, not even a workbench required, and placed inside of your base, bam, just like that, gives you a solid 70% comfort, which is pretty insane. Essentially, comfort is Rust's way of passively healing. As long as you have enough food and water, those can be converted pretty much directly into HP passively over a few seconds to minutes based on however much comfort you have in your base or wherever you are. This Discord trophy gives you 70% comfort, which is actually a really big amount. So damaging myself here just a bit, this seems to heal you at about 1 HP every 2 seconds and takes you all the way up to 89 HP, so just about 90 HP. You can eat just one thing and you'll be back up to full HP, which is crazy considering that. If you're in a fight, you just craft one of these things, plop it down in a bush, bam, just like that, hiding around, 70% comfort, which is huge, and you'll be taken all the way back up to 89 HP. Pretty broken. So you're out here PvPing, you take some damage, put down a wall, plonk down a Discord trophy, continue PvPing, and as long as you're nearby enough to this Discord trophy, your comfort goes up. Assuming you have enough hunger and water, you'll pretty much just passively heal no matter where you are, even while you're busy PvPing, things like that. This is pretty big. If you have any kind of food that can help you heal, well, you've now pushed yourself pretty much all the way back up to 100% HP, which is crazy. Considering this thing is so cheap, it's kind of crazy that this could be included with just generic PvP kits, assuming the right conditions. So is this really as crazy as it seems? Well, Rust has quite a few items that can help you regen HP over time passively, and this is just another addition to it. But if we light a fire, we get 50% comfort, a barbecue, 50, furnace, also 50, a rug gives us a passive at 25%, and the same goes for a bear rug. Items like a couch that you can craft and sit in give you 100% comfort, which is huge, but you're obviously not going to be running around PvPing with one of these bad boys. There's a couple of other unique items that we can place like the Pookie Bear, but this, I'm pretty sure, can't be found anywhere anymore, and this gives us 100% comfort. While this would be great to chuck down in PvP, the closest thing we have, better than most of these things here, is this brand new Discord trophy. Throwing down an impromptu base isn't even enough, as this only takes me up to 50%. However, throwing down a Discord trophy somewhere in our base takes us from 50 to 70% instantly. So yeah, Discord has have inadvertently created probably one of the most broken items in Rust, and now's the best time to abuse it in any way possible. If you found this video interesting, do check the description down below, where you'll find a link to my brand new Rust channel, where you'll find this, skin content, price speculation, and many other things like that. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.